Now, the region's young footballers and coaches are set to benefit from an initiative with the Argentina Football Association. The program was launched recently. Garfield Jones tells us more.
The Argentine FA, the Caribbean Football Union, CFU, and the Jamaica Football Federation, the JFF, are eagerly anticipating the collaboration which is set to kick off in Jamaica. Argentine ambassador to Jamaica, Marcelo Balbi Calvo, gave an overview of the program while hailing the leadership of the JFF and the CFU.
This training, the first part will be 2 months, that there are 8 virtual sessions, and 1 week will be hosted here in Jamaica in the Horace Burrell Center of Excellence. I really appreciate the collaboration of the Jamaica Football Federation and the Caribbean Football Union, Mr. Ricketts and Mr. Hardy Harris. They are good friends of mine, and I really appreciate the collaboration of these two entities.
President of the CFU, Randy Harris, says the initiative will improve the development of football in the region.
This will make a big difference to this region as far as football is concerned. I think one of our biggest letdown is football education. We have a lot of talent, a lot of skills, but we tend not to understand the rudiments of the game as a team sport. And I think that this would change things in the future.
Minister of Sport Olivia Grange also announced that the ministry will be investing in the development of grassroots football by pumping some resources in the parish associations.
I've always felt that the parish associations, they always struggle to make things work. And so it impacts on football at the grassroots level as well as the youth level. And so I decided to make the bold move of providing each parish association with an initial amount of $500,000.
She says the ministry will provide advice on the use of the funds.
Those funds, they will determine how they're being used. But we will be giving some guidance as to the areas of focus. So it's youth development, coaching, competitions, workshops, and just activities that will sharpen the skills of football at the grassroots and community level.
The Argentine Caribbean program is set to benefit 10 countries across the region. Garfield Jones for TVJ Sports.